Gracy Singh, and let's see who gets on the stage next. Javed Saab or Aamir Khan? Okay. Javed Saab, Aamir Khan. Can we have Ashutosh Gowarikar on stage? Can we have Satyajit on stage, please? Satya, can we please have you on stage?
आमिर साहब खान साहब नीचे यहाँ पे खान साहब इसको
Mr. Muslim Kapasi, can we have you on stage also, please? Satya, we're still waiting for you. Ladies and gentlemen, just for a second, I would like each one of you to put your hands together for this fantastic team behind Lagaan and Chale Chalo, the lunacy of filmmaking.
आमिर साहब सर यार आमिर भाई सर लुक सर लेफ्ट आमिर जी एक बार मेरे ख्याल लगान टीम भी आ जाए पंडित किधर बैठ गए अभी आप लोग आ जाएं.
Can we have the entire 11 on stage also?
आमिर साहब सर आमिर साहब यहाँ पर सर जी सब लोग आ जाएं यार पहले आमिर भाई जिस हम लोग थोड़ा आगे सर हम लोग बहुत नीचे लो एंगल हो जाएगा हम लोग बैठ जाएंगे हाँ बैठ जाओ फ्रेम बन जाएगा हाँ आमिर भाई आमिर से सेकंड शॉट फ्रेम बन जाएगा हम लोग बैठ जाते हैं थोड़े पीछे खड़े हो जाए थोड़े बैठ जाए आपकी टोपियां जरा नीचे कर लो थोड़ी थोड़ा बैठ जाओ बैठो नीचे बैठ जाओ नीचे बैठ जाओ नीचे
Right, I'd like to request the managing director, Mr. Muslim Kapasi.
Thank you, madam. Good evening, everyone. I know that this note that I have prepared is going to sound very cliche and boring for all of you people because of the excitement that awaits. But I'll still read this out because this is something that my team has done here, and I would like to do this for them. So, good evening, everyone, members of the press, friends, and well-wishers, and our distinguished galaxy of guests, Javed Saab, Aamir Khan, Ashutosh Gowarikar, Gracy Singh, Satyajit Bhatkar, and the entire cast and crew of Lagaan. Excel Home Videos is proud to present a dream that Aamir Khan Productions entrusted us with a few months ago. Excel has been synonymous with quality products and cutting-edge technology that has made it a leader in the international category. Today, Excel represents home entertainment majors like Disney, Fox, Touchstone, MGM, among others. With Parinita being the first DVD to carry DTS sound and Corporate being the first movie DVD to carry a gaming feature. Both were loaded with value adds, which set new industry standards. In an era of price erosion, we have maintained a great balance through our product lines catering all segments. Has been a painstaking effort for us and from a witness just a while ago. Here I take the opportunity to thank Aamir for trusting us with this project and relentlessly working shoulder to shoulder with us. The effort put in by himself, his team, and my team is too large for my small appreciations. And Gaurav.
Thank you, Muslim. Lagaan. There are many firsts for the movie. I think it's the very first time that cricket was played in India a long, long time back. It was the first time that we actually beat a team. Yeah, and that's why I think we're very good at playing it at home. Yeah, because obviously they played, like Aamir said on Fever 104, and I heard the interview the other day, that it was, to help Bhuvan's 11, the entire crowd would gather up in the night with the mashal lights and kind of help them play cricket in the night. So there were many firsts, and we're just hoping that request is if we could actually invite the Indian cricket team, according to me, should be Lagaan. And the coach for the Lagaan team was the director. Him to say a few words. Put your hands together for Ashutosh Gowarikar.
Hi, good evening everyone. I really feel it's a wonderful achievement. It's a standalone, regardless of the film. I think the film just stands on its own. So a big hand of cheers again for Satyajit Bhatta. Aamir and me for the past 4 years have always been, probably checking each other, asking each other, "Ki Lagaan DVD India mein kab karenge release yaar?" And every time we would, "Yeah, we will. We should. We need to work on it. We should." And I had actually almost given up hope, thinking that this is not going to happen. Probably we're going to come on the 10th year or the 12th year or the 15th year, something like that. So I'm very, very happy today that the DVD has actually come out, officially come out in India. So in a way, all those audiences who are lovers of Lagaan, who have been waiting anxiously, I'm happy to see that today they're going to get the Lagaan DVD. So cheers to that. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashutosh. The next legend that I'm about to request to say a few words, I'm actually trembling because he is really in cinema. He's created legends, he's created movies, and he's created the wonderful songs. He's written the songs. Ghanana Ghanana, because I think Mumbai needs the rains. Yeah.